way a little sooner.
A little sooner, yes.
That's a nice one.
Not a bad one. I think my smallest is 13, so that'll help. You got any luck?
I'm trying to call, I think it's a 13.
13? Yeah. It's like everybody's stuck on 12 and 13.
Nice catch, though.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Good luck to you.
Finally got to see you catch a fish other than being on a video.
There you go. Hey, this one's on video too.
Oh, nice.
Be safe out there.
You too.